Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video, and it's another beautiful day for us to be together like this, and I'm really happy today because today we will be looking at a new topic, and of course it's going to be a full training session, okay? And of course it's all about successful trading strategy for trading boom and crash. Okay, this is so unique and it's going to be mind-blowing. Okay, all you just need to do is just to make sure you prepare your mind towards this training, because this can help you a lot to achieve a lot of things with this. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. Okay, all you just need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand the strategies shared there, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, and of course guys, you should also join the Telegram channel because it's going to benefit you a lot. We usually have our trading activities going on right there on the Telegram channel, so you too can also benefit from that. So many people have been doing that. Okay, and of course you're going to love every bit of it. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out how we can we will be looking at successful trading strategy, a strategy that can help us to trade boom and crash successfully. Okay, and let me quickly show you this. Okay, check out this. Okay, you can see I came in right here. I placed a trade around here. This is 5 minutes candle boom 1000, 5 minutes candle boom 1000. I placed a sell trade around here. You can see, despite the fact that it was spiking, going up and down, going up and down, and of course got to this region, still went back up, and of course it still came down because I was so sure that it will hit my take profit, and it got my take profit around there. You can see that was a very long trade. It gave me a lot of money. Okay, it gave me a lot of profits, and of course with this trade alone I made over $2,000. Okay, with this trade alone I made over $2,000. Okay, this trade actually gave me $2,500. That's amazing. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to share the screenshot on the Telegram channel so you can check it out and see if this is true or not. Okay, so this is so amazing and it is beautiful. Okay, it is because of the trading strategy which I got to know about. Okay, so these are some of the things that you will be learning in this video. It's not all the time you will be able to pick a very long trade like this. Okay, it's not all the time I pick a very long trade like this. Sometimes I go gently, sometimes I go so deep into it. I decide to leave it for a very long time, and of course it will definitely, because I'm so sure that it will definitely get my take profit, so I was confident and it got to my take profit. And you can see here is another sell trade going on right here, and of course it should get to my take profit. My take profit is down there, so definitely it will definitely get to my take profit. So these are some of the confidence you get. Okay, and the reason for doing this, the reason why I'm able to achieve this, is because I am very sure of my analysis, and I was able to analyze effectively using my trading tools. Okay, using my trading tools. When you have a very good trading tools, you will be able to have effective analysis without any hiccups. Okay, I'm not saying the trading tools are 100% perfect. Okay, and I'm not saying all the trading tools are will trade on your behalf. They won't trade on your behalf. Okay, but they can help you to quickly pick one or two things within the chart and use it to analyze the market effectively without any hiccups. Okay, so these are the advantages of the trading tools. So quickly, let me quickly show you this before we go fully into that. Okay, and of course guys, this is very important, and I need you to pay attention to whatever I want to show you around here, and of course you're going to love every bit of it. Okay, so quickly, let me tell you this. Okay, For you to have a successful trading journey, okay, there are some things, some basic things that you should know on your own. Okay, when you know some of these basic things, it will help you to identify them when you are saying them. Okay, not it's not all about the trading tool you are having. Okay, it's not all about the money you want to make. Okay, it should be about you having, acquiring the right knowledge at the right time. This is very, very important. Even if you have a basic knowledge about what you want to do, it makes it very easy for you to put all the tools within, the tools you are having into full use. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Okay, so like I always tell you, there are some vital things that are very, very important in what you're doing, and I'm going to add the sixth aspects to it. Okay, but not now. When we get there, I'm going to add number 6 to it. Number 6, so I'm going to add it to it when we get there. Okay, so quickly, let me pick it one after the other. The first one, the first thing that I've always been making mention of is the trend. You need to have a very good, you need to know how to identify the right trend to trade whatever assets you want to trade. Okay, and once you are able to identify the right trend to trade it, you only go in to trade that asset at that particular time that the trend is favorable. Okay, you don't trade when the trend is not favorable. So all these are very, very important. So if you do not take note of these, then you will be getting it wrong. If you go in at the wrong trend, then you will lose your money. Okay, if you should check it out, I went in at the right trend. I decided to sell when the market was on downtrend, and it kept on going down. There are pullbacks in between, but I was not even scared of the pullbacks because I was so sure that it would get to my take profit. Okay, so that's so beautiful, and I allowed it to get to the take profit before the close got closed on its own. Okay, so that is it. Then the next thing is the trade on lower time frame. Okay, you can trade the time frame, the best time frame to trade. Okay, that one is very, very important. You check out the best time frame to trade. You can trade, in most cases we trade on lower time frame, okay, instead of trading on higher time frame. Most especially for newbies, it is always important you stick to lower time frame because you won't be able to calculate that of the higher time frame. Okay, you can, if you pick up a certain trade on higher time frame, that might take, if you cannot calculate it very well, you might pick up a trade that will last for weeks before it will come to an end. Okay, so you need to be able to calculate it very well. Even if you do your analysis on higher time frame, you can still come down to lower time frame, like 5 minutes, to do your to place your trade. Okay, you apply the calculation on that 5 minutes and see how you can use it to milk the market within that region, most especially when your trading capital is still very small. Okay, so then the third thing is follow the signal that supports the trend. Okay, if the trend is on downtrend, do not buy at that point. You should know that you should sell. So if what you want to achieve will go for a buy, and the trend is on downtrend, then stay away from the market. Wait for the right time for that. Okay, wait for the right time that will allow you the right trend that will allow you to buy, which is the uptrend. Okay, so if the right trend is on uptrend and you want to sell, do not do that. Okay, you are trading at the wrong trend. That can allow you to blow off your account. So you need to be patient. Okay, so patience is very, very important whenever it comes to trading. You shouldn't be too eager to make money. When you are too eager to make money here, definitely you are too eager. That means you are excited to lose out on your money. Okay, that means you want to lose out all your money quickly without wasting time. Okay, so and that shouldn't be the major thing right here. Okay, then the next thing is you should know your support and resistance zone. Okay, your support and resistance zones are very important, and these are places whereby the markets were having difficulties in passing through. Okay, so that is it. And the support is always at the base right here, while the support is always below, while the resistance, you can see that trade that I placed has gotten to my take profit and it has closed. That is how beautiful it is. Okay, so let me continue with what I was saying. Okay, so the support is always below, comes from below, while the resistance comes from above. Okay, so when the price action is going on buy trend, the resistance is the one that will stop it from going further. Okay, that will make it have difficulty. Whenever it is having difficulty to go further like this, to go further, it's having difficulty around it. That means there is a resistance zone right there. And whenever it is having difficulty to go beyond this level, okay, that means there is a support zone right there. Okay, now let me quickly say this: because it is having a resistance zone or a support zone does not mean it cannot be broken. Okay, so in case you are using a custom made indicator that is showing you that, okay, here is a support zone, here is a resistance zone, and you feel that it cannot be broken and it got broken, and you were like, okay, this custom made indicator is not good, or because it says there is a support there, but check it out, it has been broken. Okay, because there is a support there does not mean it cannot be broken. A day is coming when it will be broken. Okay, so that is it. It has gotten to the time for it to be broken. It means that the forces behind, I mean from the other side of the market, is powerful than that particular zone. Either it is a support zone or a resistance zone. So that is very important. If you should check it out, here is a support zone, and you can see the market got here, it was unable to break it, it went back up. Okay, and it even tried several times around here, it couldn't break on the minor support right here, but check it out, it got to this resistance zone, it was unable to break it. So it came down, went back up, still unable to break it, and came down again. But this time around it broke out from the support zone. Okay, does that mean that the custom made indicator that is telling you that a support zone is there is not working again? There are some custom zone that there are some custom made indicator that will give you the support zone, and we tell you that this here is a support zone, and once it is broken, that support zone will be, that particular item or icon that is indicating the support zone will disappear. You say that that is when you guys will tell me that, okay, that custom made indicator is repainting. Okay, you know, when we guys hear a new term, we tend to use it more often. We don't even want to see the reason behind what is happening. Okay, the next thing you see is that indicator is repainting. That indicator is repainting. It's indicated that there will be a support zone there, and of course it has disappeared now. Why is it disappearing? That means it is repainting. It is not repainting, it is just that that particular support zone or resistance zone has been broken. Without the custom made indicator, you can do your own personal analysis too. So once it is broken, does that mean your brain is not telling you the right thing again, or your brain is repainting? We need to be realistic here. Okay, we need to be realistic. You need to deal with this as if you are in the real market. Okay, as if you are in the real market. So when you are in the real market, someone is buying while others are selling. You all are trying to make profits or get things that worth whatever you are paying for. So you don't want to lose out at any end. Okay, so you need to be realistic with this. So these are some of the things that you need to put in place. Remember, this is just the intro. Okay, this is just the intro. We're going to do a lot of things right here. Okay, the next point I want us to focus on is that of use a very good lot size. Okay, let me quickly deal with this. Use a very good lot size. It is possible for us to be revisiting some of these items, some of the things that I itemized right here in the subsequent videos, so that you will understand how to go about it successfully. So this is very important. Okay, you can see I asterisk it purposely because it is very, very important. Okay, it is a very good determinant factor you should know about whenever you are trading. Okay, it has to do with you using a very good lot size. Okay, most people wants to make a lot of money, and the funniest thing is that they don't even have a deep knowledge about trading activities, and they just want to make cool cash, fast cash within a short period of time. Okay, I know very well that you using a very big lot size will help you to make big money within a short period of time. Okay, will help you to make big money within a short period of time. And you also want to open multiple orders with the big lot size, okay, so that you can make the same amount of money on each of the orders you have made, you have opened. Okay, but you have forgotten that as you are making big money, you can also lose big money with it. So this is what you will use to control the risk. It is called the risk management. Okay, you should be able to have proper risk management in place. Okay, so you shouldn't use a lot size that your capital won't be able to control. Use a lot size that your capital will be able to control. That is very, very important. I'm going to cite an example right here. Okay, you can see I came in around here. Okay, this is my entry point. Not long from there. Okay, I didn't see the trend right from the beginning. Okay, but it has started already, but I've checked the higher time frame and I know that it will go for a very long time. I've marked out where it will get to before it can have a total reversal in price action, and I want to milk the market with it. You can see I took the trade right from here to this place. This is where I closed it. Okay, that's so beautiful. It is so unique. But let me show you this. Okay guys, let me show you this. This happened. Okay, this is 5-minute time frame. After about 13 minutes, okay, that's a lot of profit for me. But check it out, it spiked up. It spiked up and put me in negative. Okay, in a lot of negative, because it's claimed more than, okay, the profit I've made before were just 2 candles, 2.5 candles, but when it spiked up, it claimed more than 2.5 candles. Okay, it claimed about 6 candles, which put me in negative. Okay guys, it put me in negative, and of course I didn't blink because I was so sure of the trend. Okay guys, let me quickly say this. Apart from you being in the right trend, there will always be pullback. This is a pullback, guys. This is a pullback. There will always be a pullback. You don't expect it to be going down all through, because just because it's on downtrend. There will always be pullback, and there are some cases whereby there will be a major pullback that can put you in negative for a very long time. So at that stage, it is only your lot size that can save you. If you use a reasonable lot size that your capital can control, then you are good to go. Okay, so you don't need to blink at that point. Okay, you don't even need to close your trade. These are the major things that you should look at. Okay, when you are looking at this. Number one, you be in the right trend. When you are in the right trend, then you are good. Then you are also using a good lot size that your capital can control. Then definitely you are very, very good. Okay, you can see it came up, then came down again. It got to this region, started ranging around here, and it went back up in negative again. You can imagine, before going down to end the trend around here. So you can see this is so amazing. It's so beautiful. So you are not the one controlling the market. you are not the one dictating for the market. So because it is on downtrend does not mean it will keep on going down and going down and going down without having pullbacks. There will always be pullbacks. Okay, these spikes that you don't want to see, some other people are also trading it. Sometimes I trade it also, some other people are also trading it. So those ones too, they want to make profit while you too, you are selling. Okay, so and even though this is a wrong period for you to trade the spike, okay, but some people are also trading it. Okay, not everyone are so knowledge at that particular point, at this particular point, that this is a wrong period for them to trade this spike. Just because they add a little knowledge about spikes trading, they start trading it on all the trend. Okay, it's not so. That is not how it works. So all these are very, very important. Now let's check out the 16 that will help you to achieve all these easily. It's going to be you having a very good trading tool that can help you to achieve all these. Okay, that can help you to do your analysis easily. Okay, so that is the 16. Okay, so let me just do this like this. Okay, because it's giving me some issue. Okay, a good trading tool, you having a very good trading tool, and that has been our major secret right here. Okay, a very good trading tool will help you to analyze the market effectively without any hiccups. Okay, and here is a very good trading tool that we all have been using to analyze the market, and it is called the 3M trend milker indicator. And I will be focusing more on this trading tool, how you can use it to analyze the market in the markets, analyze the market successfully, and which will help you to trade successfully within the market. Okay, so if you are having this trading tool, we can go on with this together so that you will know when to pick up your trade, when to close your trade. Okay, so all these are very, very important. So we will continue from here in my next video. Okay, so that we will know what to do whenever we are trading. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. And if you are yet to join the Telegram channel, please do that, because you're going to love every bit of it. The link to the Telegram channel is in the description box below this video, so you can take advantage of that and join us in today's trading activities. So I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to the if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.